Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate supply chain management with Fishbowl, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate supply chain management with Fishbowl, start by logging into your Fishbowl account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your inventory and key metrics. Next, locate the inventory module in the left-hand menu. Click on Inventory to access various tools for tracking your stock. Select the settings icon, which will allow you to customize your inventory settings. Set reorder points for your items by clicking on the reorder section. Input your preferred inventory level to automate alerts for low stock. Return to the main inventory page and filter items by category or supplier as needed. Next, go to the Purchasing module from the left-hand menu. In Purchasing, you can create and manage purchase orders. Click on the New Purchase Order button to start a new order. Select the vendor from whom you wish to order supplies. Add products to the purchase order by searching for items in your inventory. Once done, review the order for accuracy before saving. To receive an order, go to the Receiving module. Select the purchase order you just created and click Receive. This process updates your inventory automatically. Next, navigate to the Sales Order module to automate outbound shipments. Click on New Sales Order to enter customer details. Add items to the sales order, ensuring they are available in stock. Once confirmed, finalize the sales order for processing. To automate shipping, integrate your chosen carrier within Fishbowl. In the Settings menu, locate the Shipping Integration section. Follow the prompts to connect to your preferred shipping provider. With everything set up, your supply chain operations will now run more smoothly. Monitor your progress through the Reports module for insights and adjustments. Regularly review your alert settings to ensure you're informed about inventory changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.